Today I am going to talk on very important topic, that is women financial security. Every woman should be her own chief financial officer. The best protection any woman can have is courage. In Indian context, traditionally, women manage household, whereas men folk stepped out of the house to earn. Further, the joint family system ensured presence of a man to take care of money matters. It was for these reasons most women in India neither got an opportunity nor did a need arise to get involved in financial matters. The societal fabric has changed. The joint family system has been replaced by nuclear families. Women are not just homemakers, they are educated and are professionally engaged as well. The concept of financial security has changed over time. In the past, women used to get financial security through gold jewelry, share in ancestor property, etc. Now, women need to think about financial security more in terms of financial products rather than just about additional assets like gold. Women also face transitions in times of marriage, starting a new job, motherhood, divorce, widowhood, etc. In order to ensure smooth transition and financial security, it's important to be aware of common financial mistakes and risks to best avoid them. The most important aspect towards financial security is budgeting. By making a budget, one can keep track of the monthly expenses. This will entail saving for retirement, buying property, or having a college fund for the children. On the other hand, not using a budget can lead to overspending and credit card debt. Savings. Don't wait until it's too late. Saving for your future should be just as much of a priority as paying off debt. Women can't afford to only think short term. Save for an emergency cash cushion. Otherwise, how can you leave an unpleasant job, an abusive marriage, any sort of bad situation if you don't have money? Get adequate financial security for yourself. If you are an earning member of the family, then your absence has a cost to your family in the form of foregone income. While the loss of a person may be hard to fill, it could get worse for your family if there is financial uncertainty. The first step towards financial security is to get a term cover. Ensure the health of your family is fully covered. There is nothing like health insurance. Apart from the tax benefits, a health cover can help you meet the rising cost of hospitalization without disturbing your current finances. Nobody needs a degree in finance to be smart at managing money. What one needs is a basic working knowledge of various financial instruments like bank deposits, mutual funds, saving schemes, insurance products, net banking operation, and simple mathematical calculation. Women of all ages should be empowered to achieve their financial best. Ultimately, money rule is simple: spend less than you earn. Never give yourself an increase in standard of living. Instead, increase your savings. Women have started their presence in every walk of life, be it flying the fighter jet, in the space, in submarines, whereas they have already proved their mettle in the corporate affairs. It is high time that the women, particularly the housemaker, should also enter into the financial planning for their household and be independent. Thank you.